Hello to all! Let's talk about cactus care for beginners right after this. In this video, take notice what are the things to look forward to when repotting overgrown roots and some workarounds. Let's begin. Look at these overgrown roots. It's starting to occupy most of the pot. Should we repot? Yes, you are right. It's important to repot in order for them to have a little more space to grow. But before that, let's collect what we need. First, we need a pot with a good drainage holes. It's okay if we can't find one. We just buy a bowl and drill a hole in it. I normally use a diamond hole saw drill bit. The size is 15 millimeters, but you can explore what size you want. I just found this size to be good. It's not too small so it drains water well. It's not too big so it does not drain the soil when you water. Just enough for me. When drilling, start slanted and work your way down. Don't press too hard, just let the drill take its time. I have a video about drilling holes. Please click the link above if you want to see it. Next, time to make the potting mix. This depends on your preference. I use a lot of different recipes myself depending where will I put the cactus after repotting or depending what type of plant I will use. For this mix, it's 1 part soil, 1 part pumice, and 1 part charcoal. Why these ingredients? Because charcoal is known for its antifungal properties. This will help our cactus avoid fungus, while pumice helps drain the water fast. And we need soil to hold some minerals for the plant to consume. Do you have your own potting mix recipe? If so, and you want to share your knowledge to our fellow cactus and succulent lovers, please share your recipe in the comments below. Let's begin to pot. Make sure to use safety tools like gloves or food thongs to handle our spiny cactus. You may add toppings if you want. What are the benefits of toppings? Your plant will look good with it. If your soil is fast draining, toppings will help retain the moisture longer and give your cactus extra time to drink. On the other hand, toppings might cause rot in your cactus. How? It's like this. If the soil you're using is too rich and hold lots of moisture, which will likely cause rot, and you added some toppings which will hold moisture even longer, then your cactus will rot. Though there are workarounds like placing your cactus in a sunny hot spot so water evaporates faster, or adding some drainage holes so water drains faster. Or control watering by not watering fully. Just put a little water to avoid rot. That's the workaround if you're using a rich soil and you still want to use toppings. Please let us know in the comments below if you want to use toppings or not. Make sure to always acclimate whenever you change the location of your cactus. I have a video about acclimation. If you want to know more about it, please click the link above. Thank you for reaching this part of the video. If you have a video idea for us, please let us know and we will be happy to put that in our list of videos to do. Please subscribe, like, and share.